Hi, this is Arivadagan. In this video, I am going to show how to replace MK8 Extruder for Ender 3. I buy this extruder set from robo.in. So they come up with screws and some aluminum alloy based structure. So I'm going to replace. First, I need to remove my old extruder from Ender 3. So keep all your screws and other items. Why? Because we are going to use that in our MK8 extruder setup also. That's why I keep all my screws safely. Remove wires from Z axis. So now I replace with MK8 extruder setup. But the problem here is the screws. So we need to buy some new screws. You may see here I use my old screws, and they provide one setup to adjust the tension of the spring. So I think you like this video. So if you want more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.